Hi! In front of me is Blackview BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can use AppLock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security. Then you need to click on AppLock over here at the bottom and enter a password for your apps. After that, you need to repeat it. And finally, click on the switches next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case Chrome. Now when I click Home button and try to access my Chrome app, as you can see, password is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!